This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, is everyone back?
Yes, I'm
Hello.
back.
Okay, that's great. Have you done your lunch?
Yes,
That's great. And what about your assignment?
I'm working on it still, but yeah, I'm getting it done though.
Mm. Nicole, can you do? Have you done your assignment? If yes, then please share your screen.
Yeah, I can show you.
I just want to. I will just want you to wrap up what we have learned so far, so that your notes will become easy, and you can get reference from these notes in future as well. Okay, Nicole, can you explain? Okay. Who shared the screen? Nicole. Okay. Can you elaborate from the start?
Okay,
Nicole?
so I wrote down some notes. For example, control 1, that is in regards to formatting cells.
Yes.
So let me see, go to Excel. So control 1, and then you can choose like how you want, if you want to change like how it is written, like the date and such. And then if you go to control A, that selects all, kind of like what the notes, they talk about control A. And then if you want to do like formatting, like the same, then
Very good.
you would do, and then, oops, not like that. Okay, so if I wanted to do that, then I would just do this and then do like this, the same. So it would be format painter right here.
Very good.
And then control with the arrows moves everything from columns and rows. Control delta shows formulas. Equal, and then formula, tab, and then the numbers, and then press enter, and that'll create your formula for whatever you're wanting, which is like here. Let's see. Like in this regard. Let's see. And then formula tab, numbers to enter. Well, yeah, I already stated that. And then control H is to find and replace words or numbers or phrases, whatever it is. That can be specific with case sensitive or not case sensitive. It just depends on what you're wanting and what you want to find. F5 is to go where you can fill in like the spots on the Excel, like the little part here. So you would do not F4, F5. And then you would choose special. You can choose whatever ones you're wanting to fill in, whether it's formulas you want to do, maybe just text, and then it'll click all the text. You can highlight it, you can change the color, whatever, pretty colors. Let's see.
You
Huh?
got the concept.
Yeah.
I got it. Let me wrap up what we have done so far in, let's say, 15 minutes. Let me share my screen. Very good, Nicole. You people can see my screen?
Yes.
That's great. Initially, I just told you that one is called the title bar. I have already gone through this. I will share these files with you guys. One is called title bar. Two is called quick access toolbar. We can customize our quick access toolbar by simple adding. Let's say I'm using this tool again and again. If I'm using this tool again and again, I will right click and post it to the quick access toolbar. Then we know the tabs. All these are tabs: home tab, insert tab, and in all these tabs, these are called ribbon. Means in the home tab, all these functions are there. And 6 is called formula bar. I told you before. 5 is called, this is called name box. Name box, you can call any cell from there. Let's say if I want to go any cell, let's say G55, I can easily go into that cell. And likewise, if you see there, these are called worksheets, and these are called scroll bars. And 11 is zoom option, means you can zoom in or zoom out. Right, say I can increase the zooming or reduce the zooming as well. And the options are called page setup. Right now I'm in the normal page. Then there is the page layout.
It should be in call volume.
I'm facing some noise. I don't know from where.
I think if you just click the side of your phone, the volume, there's one that's called in call volume.
Someone is talking with me?
No, sir.
Okay. If you see in the page setup, there are three options. Normal view, where you can see the screen in the normal view. Then there is a second option, page layout. In the page layout, basically it is telling you that if you print your sheet, it will beyond from this screen. And in their view, we can see whole screen. This is called the page break view. This is called the page layout. This is the normal view. Normal view is the most recommended view. In first, we learned what is the, you can say, the interface of Microsoft Excel. Then in the second phase, we applied some basic functions, like from this, let's say we have data, we applied how to apply the sum function. Simple select data, press tab and select data, that's it. And drag to the right, automatically formula will apply it into the rest of data as well. Then we learned how to apply the average function. Like we apply this by using shift, we can select the data and we can apply simple drag down. We can get the minimum value from our data. Likewise, we can get the maximum value, and then we can apply some large function where we can get, let's say, second maximum, third maximum, fourth maximum. Select the data, and if you see in the formula, there are two arguments. First, select array. Array means select range. K means which number you want to get. Let's say if I want to get the second maximum, I will put 2. If I want to get the fifth maximum, I will put 5. Let's say in this scenario, I want to get second maximum, I will press 2. Likewise, if you want to get the second minimum, press is equal to small. If you see in the formula, there are two arguments. First argument is select range. And second argument is, if you need second minimum, you will press 2. Automatically you will get data for you. Then you can simply drag it from to the right. And likewise, I have designed this course for you guys so that you may practice after this class. Let's say if you want to apply some functions, you can apply in there. how some can be applied, some can be applied through some range like this. And like if you see, if I ask a question from you guys, although the function was the formula was started from equal sign, but why it is not being applied here? Like the issue was facing by Nicolo. Nicolo, can you explain why the formula is not being applied here? Because if you see formula, because you can see there is a space before equal sign. If I remove this space, automatically function will apply there.
Okay.
We can't start function with space. We should start with equal sign, then we get our desired answer. And here are multiple examples for average function, max function, minimum function. I would send this file to you as well so that you may do practice. Then we learn some F5 functions. Select the data, press F5, go to special, select the blanks and change the color as per your requirement. Then we learn how to check the formulas. We can check formulas and give any kind of color. Let's say if I want to apply this color, then we can select the data and replace the blanks. Go there blanks, automatically all the blanks would be selected. Right here, let's say NA, not applicable. Then press Control Enter, not Simple Enter, because I want to apply this in all these cells. I will apply Control Enter. Automatically it will apply it into the multiple cells. Okay.
Check your
Likewise.
refund status.
Likewise, let's say my question is from Nicole. Nicole, I want to change this advanced Excel to the Power BI. How can I change it?
You want to change advanced Excel to?
Let's say I Power BI. I want to change advanced Excel with Power BI. How can I do that?
Okay, Control H.
No. First, select the data by using Control A. Automatically, data will be selected.
Oh, okay. And then Control H. Yeah.
In Control
Advanced
H, there are
Excel.
two options: find and replace. In the replace, you can change it advanced Excel with, let's say, Power BI. Replace all. Automatically, you can see that advanced Excel has been replaced. And let's say I write some name my here, Mustafa and caps Mustafa and Mustafa again. I want to change Mustafa with let's say Adams. How can I change that? Select the data, Control H, Mustafa with Adams. Wow, it is being changed in everywhere. But if I want to change only for the name that is on capital letter, means case should also be considered, then I will go there in the options. I will pick the match case as well. Now you can see that it will only replace the name that match the exact. Okay, we have gone through this as well. And next, if we go there, we learned about the relative and absolute reference. Let's say if we want to apply the percentages like we applied there, these are few heads, and this is the sales value, this is the total value. And I want to apply the sum function, or I want to get the percentages over there. How can I do that? Is equal to this divided by total value. As I apply, the answer will come in percentage. But the point is that if you want to change this percentage into the any other number formatting, the one way is that you can go there and this window will open for you. The second way is that press Control 1. This is the shortcut. Change percentage to the number or increase or decrease decimal. Now data will be applied. Now simple drag to the down. But why the error is being happening? Why the error is coming?
You have to do the FN, F4.
F4 to change it to dollar signs.
Basically, as I move down, we can see that these 6 move by D7, that's fine. But D26 should be locked because I don't want to move this cell as well. Because I want to divide this value with this value. Then I want to divide this value with this value. But we can see this is being this is also being moving down and down. That's why
Yeah.
I will apply the dollar here by using F4 function. What will this $sign do? This is called absolute reference. It will lock the cell. Even whenever I drag it down, cell will remain its own position. Now I can drag it down.